Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy Sculpty back at again with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching guys the best optimization settings for your Razer Huntsman Pro V3 Mini for Fortnite. Okay, so you want to go to your devices and modules and synapse. This is a basic typing profile, cannot be, okay. And then we have to do this one, snap tap. Okay, you want to turn this on and assign keys for snap tap. To snap tap, press hold one key, repeat it, press the other key. Okay, we want to set that W to, the A to 0.1 or 0.2 around there. That's okay for that. And you want to set S to 1. You want to set D to 1 in actuation, and then you want to set W to 0.1. And then space bar, you want to keep that 1.2 to 2.0. Shift 1.0 to 1.2, so it's at 1.2 right now, so that's good. E, you want to set that to, E is my edit bind, and I have that one set to also 0.1. And then my user interact is my scroll wheel, and then your weapons 1 through 5 is going to be at 1. Set those all to 0.1 millimeters. And it's going to make it so it's has a faster response time. This one to 0.1. This one to 0.1. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. And I have my Z set to 5 or 6. I think it's 6, so I'm gonna set that to 1 too. But if your number 6 is this one, or I don't know how you guys have it set up, but I'll put that to 0.1 since mine is like my 5th weapon or something like that. My number 1 is my pickaxe. Okay, there's a pro tip for edit on release players. Low actuation plus rabbit trigger equals cracked edit. So since mine is 0.1 actuation on E, I want to turn on rabbit trigger, and what that does, rabbit trigger mode enabled, the reset point is no longer fixed. Instead, the switch resets and travels upward once the keystroke is registered. This means that you can perform repeated keystrokes far more rapidly, as pressing the same key requires less key travel. And we're going to have that set to high. And then another cool thing that you can do is, like for muscle memory, is set the lighting. And let me see here. You want to go to lighting, and I think we're gonna have to install this thing. And install chroma. So this might take a while. I'll be back. Gotta launch Chrome Studio. Next. We could just skip that. And we want to do I'm just going with static. I'm going to set WSD. Look how these. My WSD is going to be red. My numbers row is going to be blue. My Q is for my wall, so that's going to be all my build bands are going to be orange. So Q, C, and X orange, and Z is going to be blue as well. My edit is going to be yellow. And my rotate is going to be, actually we can have rotate be aqua. And then let's go to studio. So everything's all set up now. On your keyboard, the light should pop up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.